Hello YouTube, I'm going to do one more tutorial, then I'm probably going to be done for today. I might do some more, I don't know. Anyway, so we're going to learn about something called the while loop. So we're going to make our variable int x equals 1. A while loop is a lot like the if loop. The if loop checked if something was true. The while loop will keep doing it until it is false. So while x equals 1, system.out.println, it does. Now watch this. This is really important. And we're going to do while x equals 1. See, it keeps spamming it. Because this is what happens. Unlike the if loop, and maybe I should show you this a little later, or right now. So it's going to be like, okay, in a regular program, the if loop will be like, okay, blah blah blah. Okay, if loop, if it is true, do stuff in here. And then after that's done, go by. The while loop will be more like, okay, and x equals 1. Well, does x equal 1? Okay, do this. Does x still equal 1? Okay, do this. Okay, does x still equal 1? It will keep doing that until x does not equal 1, in which case it will be like, okay, let's continue. So, how can we get rid of this? How can we make it so x no longer equals 1? Sounds like a pretty stupid question, but we could do x equals 2, you know, and then we'll do it once, and it's like, okay, x equals 1, now equals 2, no longer equals 1, let's just keep going. Something else we can do is something, let's say we had something like, while x is less than, or while x is less than 10. Well, we can't just simply do x equals 2. And I guess what you could do is you could like, okay, if x equals, or if x equals 1, then make x equal 2 or something, and then if x equals 2, make x equals 3. That would take forever. Something else you can do is a shortcut. You can do x plus plus, and what that will do is I'll be like, okay, take x and add 1 to it. So watch this. In fact, I might even want to do something else. It does x or something. Oh, that's supposed to be a plus. Okay, and so it, you know, it'll be like, okay, it does 1, it does 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Pretty simple. There's going to be a different type of while loop we can work with. Let's say we had int x equals 90. And then we'll be like, okay, well, while x is less than 40, then do, you know, .println, save the world or something. Well, x is not equal, x is already greater than 40. So how to get this while loop to execute even though x is greater than 90? There is a trick you can do, and what it'll do is it'll execute this, but it'll only execute once, no matter if it's true, false, whatever. And how we can do this is we can do this by using a do while. So all you have to do is you have to take this, put it underneath, and then type in do. And what this will do is it will be like, okay, so do this, right? Do this, but after that, check if x is greater than 40. Okay, is it still? Then do this again. But it will always do it at least once. See, it'll save the world at least once, and then congratulations, we just done it. So it will save the world, and it will check if x is greater than 40 or whatever. And in that case, it will always do it at least once, no matter what happens. And until then, see you later.